Let's go. I'm gonna go look at the one furthest away first. Nope. Try to get the smoker actually on fire. There we go. Alright. Yep, okay, come on. Alright, we're gonna go look at the far one first. The camera won't be able to see it, but you can ask. So this is Johnny 5. We're gonna check in on its food. They ate some, but it looks like they froze to death. Yeah, this hive is dead. Bummer. Bummer, bummer. You can see they're all clustered together, but they froze. Had some beetles towards the end, looks like. Yeah. Even the beetles didn't make it. Yeah, that's a bummer.
They just not have enough temperature, like
The freeze was just too much for them. If we look at the bees here, they're all frozen together. Did you get a good photo of it?
how do I take a photo?
Or no, just, I mean, did the video it?
They're in frame.
Okay. So that's what it looks like when they freeze in place. So that's a bummer. The good news is there is no visible signs of like moth larvae or anything. It was just, they're all frozen in place, and because they're in a cluster, it's not like they all, if they had just been all heads in the cells alone, they would have starved. But because they're frozen in the cluster, they just got cold. Unfortunately. But they were very low. If food was definitely also a potential issue at some point. Except, oh yeah, all of those are full of dead bees inside of that. Ah, bummer, bummer. Ooh. And she was laying because there's a cluster of them. Oh. Ah. Dang. All right, so that one. And sadly, that's the remainder of the bees when they dried out. Don't see the queen, or I haven't seen the queen, but she could be in the other batch, which would make sense with the cluster. Bummer. Yeah, that's what happens when these things swarm so late in the season. They don't have a high probability of surviving. This was our October swarm that ended up dying off. That being said, it'll be a really good place for bees to swarm into. Kind of have it, because it should smell / be like bees. The bad part is that as it warms up, then other things like to get into it too. So see how that works out. Here's the next at-risk hive. And this one had a pretty crazy mite count going into winter, and I have not seen action. There's almost no food eaten. It's also not a great sign of its health. Yep, no sound. For as warm as it is, I think Phoenix has also died off. They were sealing this stuff up, and then it froze out, guaranteed. The question is there any food left? Was it a starvation issue? Oop, definitely wasn't starvation. There's honey. Ooh, frozen on this. Damn.
Whoa.
There's definitely honey there to be taken. Oh, there's no, oh, there's bees. I was like, where's the cluster?
Where's what?
I was like, where's the cluster that died off?
Just maybe abandon it?
I guess it's possible, like, but when would have been the question if it did. They could have absconded. Oh yeah, there's no bees in any of this. Oh, there's the queen. She died right there.
Oh, you found her immediately?
Yeah, she's right here. That's okay. Well, definitely that's why the hive is dead, is if the queen died off.
Died like that, is that a potential why they abandoned it? Or?
Well, that's why there's no bees, is there was nobody to replace the ones that died off naturally. When she died is a very good question. Given that she's in the top, I'm gonna guess it was right at the freeze. That's all aged honey, but it looks like it's, I don't know, like that is weird. That is all just honey, so that's honey, that's honey. Okay, so this whole top box is just still all pretty much honey, minus that, the queen. Again, I think it's going to be a cold snap that killed these guys. More than anything else. It definitely wasn't starvation. And that's pollen, so yeah, that one's okay, that one's okay, that one's okay. Are they just all dead in the bottom, I wonder? It's entirely possible that the part of the hive absconded, but given that the queen is here, most likely they just died with the freeze. They didn't make it through. Agreed. I am and I'm not, right? Like their mite count was pretty high, so it's probable that they just didn't make it out. Didn't make enough replacements and they had too many sick bees at the end of the day. Oh yeah, that's gonna be interesting. I don't have a place to put any of this stuff either, so it's just gonna have to sit here for now until I get back next week. All right. Ay, ay, ay. Yep, I know, girls. You're like, it's free honey.
Do you recycle that just for the other hives? Or?
Yeah, it will all just be recycled for the other hives only. Okay, let's see how the rest of you are doing. Oh, that's not the way that goes. Almost wasn't making a mess there.
The side of that box looks like it has a spider face.
What's that?
The side of that box looks like it has a spider face.
Right. All right, next one. Now this is loud. Oop, they are okay. They are alive and clustered at the top, so.
Are they all in the top thing?
Yeah, I should probably give them this one. Yeah, I know. You guys are like, get out of our home. I get it. Okay, that one's good. All right, now the ones that I'm least looking forward to opening, because they are the most aggressive of the four.
You want your thing before you start? Your smoker?
Yes. Let's see, see what they do here. I know, I'm hitting the bees. You guys are super not excited about that. But it's to give you food for till the next time we see each other, which will hopefully be in a month. Okay, yeah, I got it. You guys are not pleased, got it. But you're super healthy and alive and excellent. Great job, girls. All right, well, almost done with the check of the health of the bees. So 1, 2, and we'll see. My guess is 3, given the activity earlier. All right. Yep. Okay, calm down. Oh yeah, you guys are definitely healthy enough to attack me. That's good. We love you, dad bees. Let me sting you in the face. All right, okay, got it. Love you so much, we're gonna sting you through the face. All right. Yep. Gotcha. All right, we can hit stop.